Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Number 2 is after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Number 3 is if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up is by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. A is equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus is equal to minus 8 and B is 4 minus 2 plus is equal to 8. If A in A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? Here, let us draw the steps first. The steps we have drawn here, you see. Let us take, these are the various steps, right? It is first step, second step, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and this is the water level, right? Now, you see, in the first jump, the question was he jumps 3 steps down and then back 2 steps. He jumped 3 steps down. He jumped 3 steps down, right? From one, here you see 3 steps down. That means he is starting from here. He goes here you see he jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps back. 3 steps. That means here you see this is first step. That means 3 steps means from here 1, 1, 2, 3. That means the first step he goes from step 1 to step 4, right? And step 4 means 1 plus 3, right? 1 plus 3, that is fourth step, right? In the first jump he goes from 1 plus 4, right? In the second jump he goes 4 minus 2, that means in the backward direction he goes 2 steps. Suppose we represent it by blue line, right? In the fourth step, he goes 2 steps backward, right? That is from here you see 2 steps backward means from here he goes here. In second step, he goes to second step, right? Now again, if we represent the third step, that is in third step he goes 2 plus 3, 5 step. 2 plus 3, here you see he goes 3 again, right? Number next one is green. From second step he goes 3 steps down again, that is 1, 2 and 3. That means he is going to fifth step. From fifth step again goes to backward 2 step, right? Again he goes 2 steps backward, right? Again he goes 2 steps backward. Again he goes 2 steps backward means from 5 he again goes to, from 5 he goes to 2 steps that is first step and second step. Then again he comes to third step. Fifth, and again he goes back to step, means 5 minus 2 here, he again goes to third step, right? That is this step we have come, right? Next, fifth jump is 3 plus 3. Fifth jump is 3 plus 3. Fifth jump is 3 plus 3. Here we are staying, he is staying here 3. 3 plus 3 means here we are again going from 3 to 1, 2, 3. Then it comes to sixth step, right? Sixth step, right? And he again goes 2 step backward. That is from 6 2 step backward means we represent it by blue color. That is 2 step backward. That means from here it goes from 6 to 5 and 5 to 4th. Again he goes to fourth step. Here you see he goes to fourth step, right? Again 4 plus 3. Again he comes fourth stage to 3. 3 means he goes to represented by green, right? Here now he is at fourth step. From fourth step he is going again 3 stage. 1, 2, 3. That means now he is at stage 6, right? That is sixth step. That is 3 plus 3 is sixth step, right? Sixth step. Next one from 6 he again backwards to step. From 6 he again goes backward to step, right? That means he again goes backward to step. Again goes backward to step from 6. That is he goes again 5 and again fourth. That is he goes again fourth step. That is he step fourth step, right? And again he will goes 3 steps down. 4 plus 3 seventh step, right? 4 plus 3, right? We are representing here by green 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, that is here it is 4. 3 means 5, 6, and he comes to on 7 steps, 7th steps, right? He comes on 7th step. Here you see this is on 7th step. Again back towards, again back by 2 steps. Again back by 2 steps means again back by 2 steps from 7 he goes to, from 7 2 steps backward means we represent it by blue line. That he again from 7th step to back 2 steps means 7, that means 5. It is 6 and it is 5. So now he is at fifth stage. Fifth step. Again 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. From here it comes 6, 7, 8. Now he comes to our 8th step, right? This is 8th step. And again backward 2 steps, this means 6. From 8 he goes to, from 8 he goes with blue line. He goes again 2 backwards. That from 8, that is from 8 he will go, from 8 he will go 7 and 6th stage, right? And from 6 he goes back to 6th step, that is 6th step, right? This one. And again 6 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 3 again comes to 7, 8 and 9. 9. Here you see it comes to 9, right? In this way he takes at least 11 jumps and hence he will reach the water level in 11 jumps. We are again repeating this one, that in first jump he will reach 1 plus 3. Why? Because this one is 1, 2, 3, 4th, right? 4th, that means he goes on 1 plus 3, 4th step, right? And 2 step backward means 4 minus 2, second step. And again it will repeat it once again, that is 2 plus 3 is third jump, fifth step, and that is fifth step. 5 minus 2, that is third step, and again 3 plus 3 sixth step. Then 6 minus 2 he goes to fourth step, and 4 plus 3 he goes to seventh step, and 7 minus 2 that is fifth step, and 5 fifth step 5 plus 3 is eighth step, and 8th step to 8 minus 2, 6th step, and 6 plus 3, 9th step. That means hence he will reach the water level in 11 jumps. Now question number 2. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is, you see here, question number 2. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then 2 steps, then jumps 2 step, 2 jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Right. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then 2 jumps, then jump back 2 steps. Right. He goes 4 steps. For here you see the first jump. In the first jump, he goes 4 steps. Right. 4 step means suppose he was at 9. We change the color here. We change the color. You will understand it better way. Suppose this is red, right? In the first jump, he goes to 4 steps. That means here he was at 9. For the step means 1, 2, 3, and 4. He goes to 5th step, right? In the first jump, he goes to 5th step, and then in first jump he goes to 5th step, and then he 5th steps, right? And then again he goes back 2 steps down. 2 steps down means 2 steps down from 6, that is from 5 he goes to 7 and 6 and 7. Now he is at 7th step in second jump. In second jump he goes to 7th step, right? Then again in third jump he goes again 4 steps. In third jump he again goes 4 steps. In third jump, that is this one, 4th. From here 7th, then 6th, 5, 4 and 3. Then he goes to third step, right? That means in third jump he goes to third step. In third jump he goes to third step, and again from third step he goes back again 2 step, right? Goes back again 2 step, that means 3, 2. That is now he is at 3, 3 again 2, that means 4, 4 and 4, 3 to 4 and 5. Now he is at 50 steps. That is at 50th step, right? 5th step. In 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 fourth jump he goes to 5th step, and from 5th step again 4 from 5, right? And again he goes from 5 to, that is 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, right? And in the fifth jump he goes to first step, right? That means in 5 jumps he will reach back the top step, right? Again we are repeating, in first jump he goes on 5th step, because from here 4 steps means 9 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th step. First one he goes to 5th step, then second jump, that is again 2 jumps downwards, that is 5, 6, 7, 7th step. In second jump he goes on 7th step, and from 7th step he goes again 3, that is 6, 5, 4, 3. That means third step again, and from third step he goes again, and in fourth jump he goes to 5th step, and in fifth jump he goes to first step. That means in total in 5 jumps he will reach back the top step, right? And now question number 3 is, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative numbers, and the number of steps moved up by positive integer represent his move in part 1 and part 2, and by completing the following, right? Here you see we have completed this one in like this. In first, minus 3 plus 2, it is 11 jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 3 minus 3 plus 2 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 minus 3, right? That is minus how many 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 18, that is minus 18. And how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the 10, that is minus 18 plus 10, that is minus 8, right? Minus 8 means 8 will reach back in the ninth step, right? Minus 8 means towards down. Minus 8 means towards down. 8 steps toward down. 8 steps towards 8 steps 8 steps towards downward towards downward towards downward, right? And here you see in question number B, question number 4 in the upper direction and 2 in the backward direction, that is 4 minus 2. He goes in 5 jumps, he'll reach back the top step, right? Therefore first one he goes 4 4 and 4 plus, that is plus, and 2 is minus, that 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, because there are 5 jumps, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and 4 plus 4, that is 12, and minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8, therefore 8 means plus, right? Therefore 8 steps upward, plus 8 means 8 steps upward. Now here see in the figure 8 minus 8 means 8 steps downward. 8 steps downward means from 1, if we continue here from 1, that is 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here you read in 8 steps it goes to the ninth step, that is in water level, right? And in the upward direction you see, in the upward direction 11 jumps in 8 steps downward, that means in this process he goes to ninth level in 11 jumps. In the second case, here you see second case we get 8 plus 8 steps upward, plus 8 steps upward means from ninth level he goes upward, right? Plus 8 means here you see this one is, if we change the color, suppose this is black color, right? This is from ninth step he goes upward, and from here you see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, right? In 8 step mean a plus 8 means in the topmost level, right? Right? Therefore you can say that in that in case 1 he will reach the water level in 11 jumps. In case number 2, in 5 jumps he will reach back the top step. And question number 3 is A, that is minus 8. Minus 8 means 8 steps towards downward, and this is plus 8 steps. Plus 8 steps means 8 steps upward, right? Plus 8 steps means what it means? That means plus 8 steps upward. 8 steps upward. That is the solution of question number 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.